everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's tutorial episode, I'm gonna guide you through how to log into your Blooket account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Blooket account, open up a web browser of your choice. Go to the URL box at the top and type in www.blooket.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official site of Blooket, which looks like this. Go to the upper right hand corner and click on the login button to log into an existing account. You can log in with your Google account or using your email address followed by your password. Just make sure to choose the same option you used while signing up for Blooket.com. In my case, since I've chosen the email option, let me go ahead and enter my username or email in the first text box. Soon after you do that, head over to the password box and type in your password that you created while signing up for Blooket. Type in your password correct and click on the Let's Go button in order to log into your account. In case you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset to a new password. After typing in your credential and it is correct, you can click the Let's Go button and you'll be able to log into your Blooket.com account just like that. That is how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.